19th of October 2025, in Cape Coral, Florida, a young woman driving a white SUV known as the Bratmobile was pulled over by police after being observed speeding and swerving between lanes on Veterans Memorial Parkway.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Officer Delayed in the Cape Coral Police Department. The reason I pulled you over is you passed us going 51 on Del Prado, and then you're going about 65 on Veterans, driving in and out of traffic. Do you have your license and registration on you?
Yeah, I need napkins. I have sinus problems.
I think my registration's in here. I don't know.
Hold on, let me give you my license.
Okay.
That.
Thank you. Any luck on that registration?
Yes, I have my registration. I gotta find. Hold on. I'm sorry.
It's okay. No, you're sorry.
I don't know where the I put it. Honestly, it's in a book. Or oh wait. Hold on.
Where are you coming from tonight?
I picked them up.
Who's them?
Them.
Friends, family?
Friends.
Yep.
Here, love.
Thank you.
What's that?
I have your number.
Do you have an odor?
Hello, ma'am. Would you step out for me?
Why?
I'm asking you to, please.
No, listen. No questions.
No, but I need to know why.
Well, I don't have to tell you why, but I'm going to.
Yeah, let's do it.
I sense some signs of impairment.
I don't want no issues.
Oh my.
Oh, get out.
Just wait in the car. Just wait in the car.
Oh, okay. All right.
Why does it make everything complicated?
Just relax. It's okay.
Step out for me.
But why? Can I ask why?
Yeah, we'll go over it once we're out here.
Okay.
Yeah, just step over here for me.
So the reason we're having you come out is because we're seeing signs of impairment and we want to start a DUI investigation. That means you participating in standardized field sobriety evaluations. Are you willing to participate in standardized field?
No, I'm not impaired. I'm dropping them off over here. I'm going home. I live right off of Nicholas.
Okay. So the only way we can go forward from this is if you participate. If you don't participate, we have to make our judgment based off the observations we've seen so far.
What is your judgment for you to feel that way?
You have slurred speech, an odor of alcohol.
I don't have slurred speech. I don't have alcohol.
If you don't participate in standardized field sobriety evaluations, then you can't dispel our fear of your impairment. Okay? So are you willing to participate in standardized field sobriety evaluations?
What does that include?
We're going to check your eyes, and then we're going to have you do the walk and turn and the one leg stand.
Whatever.
Okay.
So you're willing to participate?
I'm not blowing, but you can do whatever the you want to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just step right in front of the car over here.
So you put you in front of the light so you can feel impaired. Fantastic.
Well, why would the light make you feel impaired?
Because it puts your judgment off, obviously.
All right, so I have some questions for you, okay? Are you sick and injured at all?
But why did you pull me over? Why
pulled
did you
you over
Why was I pulled over?
First off, you passed us going 51 on Del Prado. We followed you on Veterans. You're weaving in and out of traffic. You're going 60 miles an hour on Veterans.
66 miles.
66 miles an hour.
What? Do you have your proof of that?
Yes. Our observations.
Our
Yes.
observations. As long as,
Observation is proof?
yeah.
I don't.
Do you want to participate?
If I don't, then what? You arrest me?
We have to
Make it a judgment.
What's your judgment?
It's up to you whether or not you want to participate.
I mean, I'm not drunk.
Okay.
If I were or weren't speeding, I'm not saying either or.
Okay. So
But I'm
the question
not
I have.
impaired.
Okay, so my question for you is: would you like to participate in some field sobriety exercises to dispel my fear that you may be intoxicated?
Am I allowed to like research first?
Research? No.
It's just yes or no.
No.
You don't want to?
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, fine then. Yes.
Put your hands.
Then yes.
No, we're not going back and forth with this.
Why?
Okay, because
Stop.
Oh, that's
we're not going back.
now I'm resisting.
Stop
that's
pulling
very
away.
personal.
Stop pulling away.
Make sure you record. Make sure you record because this is a normal thing for Florida. Oh, I'm resisting. Oh my God, I'm 100 pounds. I'm resisting.
Stop
resisting.
Woohoo, I'm resisting. What did I do?
Stop pulling away.
What did I do?
Stop pulling away.
What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
Stop resisting.
What did I
Stop
do?
pulling.
Tensing up. Stop.
I'm tensing up. Okay, I got 3 cops on me, and I'm 130 pounds, not even, and I'm tensing up. Okay. What the f is that?
Stop pulling.
Really? This is okay. Okay. But I need my phone and I need my wallet.
Okay.
If you want to arrest me
Here you go.
for doing nothing, so okay. Blow me. You want to blow? You want to blow? You want to blow?
Yes.
Come on.
The next thing we were going to ask you to do is
let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it
provide
right
a
now.
sample of your breath.
Let's do it right now.
Okay, we're gonna
right now.
we're gonna
Let's
take
do
you down
it. Let's do it.
Get in the car right now. You open that again, you're going to jail. Do you understand me?
You're grabbing me like that?
Will you keep tensing up?
Oh, okay. You know what's funny?
Go ahead and pat her down, put her in the car.
Yeah,
Come over here for me. Come over here.
Stop pulling.
Hey, record this!
Stop tensing up.
Are you trying to... What are you doing, bro? Are you trying to, like, assault me? Ew, she's grabbing me.
Stop tensing up.
Tensing up, she's grabbing my... What's on me? Look at me. Back up. What's on me? What's on me?
Sit down.
I want my wallet and my keys
Get
and
in
my
the car.
Where's all my... Really? Okay. Okay. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued.
Let's do it down. Pick it up. That one right?
This one's yours, sir. Thank you.
Have them go ahead and step on it. All right.
Stepping out for me.
We just met this
Drive me out.
Just come back here. Back of the car. Step out for me.
Yes, sir.
Back of the car.
Yes, sir. Sorry. We just met her tonight, and we were just trying to get to the next bar, and that's all that was happening. And she said, "We'll take you to the next bar," and that was it. That was all that happened tonight.
So you don't know her personally at all?
No, sir. No, sir.
We just met her at Rusty's.
Yeah, we just met her tonight. We were only at Rusty's for like an hour, and then we went to the deck. We had one drink there, and then we were on our way here. And we were like, "Would you mind dropping us off?" And then she's like,
10,
"Yeah, I can
15,
take you."
White
And then we didn't know she was
Signal 1,
doing the speed like that. I heard the state speed limit. We didn't know. And yes, I know it's illegal double passengering. But she was just going to drop us off here, and we were going to Uber from here. That's it.
Do you guys have licenses or ID cards?
Yes, I have ID, yes. I just don't know why she was making, like I said, I don't know why she would make a big scene. And, like, you guys were just telling her to get out. That was it. She don't be like, why this, why that? Just following the rules, just do what they say, please. Like, I was trying to tell her, but she's like, no. No, not really. No,
You
not
just
really.
met her
Yeah,
at Rusty's?
she was already there.
So you
before
weren't
we
with her
were.
the whole time?
Yeah, yeah, she was already there before
Maybe like
we
30
were.
minutes.
Yeah.
Did you see her drink anything while you're at Rusty's?
This probably had
No.
like a shot of tequila,
Yeah.
maybe.
Tequila.
She had a shot, and then at the deck, she had a shot. That's all.
And then we came here.
Okay.
Yeah. I've never gotten in trouble with cops before, so this is like my first time, and I'm like nervous about it. So that's why I'm all shaky
They good?
and antsy.
You guys are both good?
Okay.
Thank you.
Please
Thank you for your time.
try and being safe, walking.
Yes, yes. And
And
I'm actually, like I said,
Get an
I
Uber.
apologize for what you guys have to deal with all the time. I know it's probably rough for you guys. It shouldn't be at all.
All right, remember that mobility.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, you guys have a good
Be
night.
safe.
Thank you. Be
Thank
safe.
guys.
The driver was a young woman who had spent the evening at Rusty's Raw Bar and Grill, where she consumed alcohol before getting behind the wheel. According to passenger statements, she had only just met the 2 men riding with her, yet still chose to drive them to another location, showing a serious lapse in judgment. When asked to step out of the vehicle and perform field sobriety tests, the driver became uncooperative and argumentative. She repeatedly questioned the officers and refused to follow clear instructions. As the situation escalated, she physically resisted being taken into custody by tensing her body and shouting accusations. Officers ultimately subdued and arrested her, leading to charges of DUI and resisting an officer without violence. This case serves as a powerful reminder that one reckless decision getting behind the wheel after drinking can quickly spiral into serious legal consequences and put innocent lives in danger. It also highlights the importance of staying calm and cooperating with law enforcement during any traffic stop. If you found this breakdown insightful, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment sharing your thoughts on the situation, and stay tuned for more real-life body cam cases and in-depth analyses in our upcoming videos.